Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today in this video I am going to make landing page using Bootstrap. As you know, Bootstrap is a CSS library where pre-built HTML CSS components such as Nav Bar, header, footer, etc. are available. We just need to copy that components and paste it in our code. So let's get started to use Bootstrap. Open the browser and search here get Bootstrap, press enter and open the first website. So here is the Bootstrap website. In the nav bar you can see docs. Click it and here is the complete documentation about how to use Bootstrap in your code. Scroll it down until you find these two links. First link is to connect CSS file of Bootstrap to your code file and second link is about to connect JavaScript file of Bootstrap to your code. So paste these files one by one in our code. To link the CSS file, add the link tag and in the href attribute, paste the copied link. Also change the title to Bootstrap landing page. Now copy the JavaScript link and add it by using script tag. So in the src attribute, paste the copied link. Now the files of Bootstrap CSS and JS has been linked to our code. Click on the go live to open the website in our browser. Next step is to add Navbar in our website. So scroll the side Navbar and in the component section open the Navbar document. Here different pre-built Navbars are available. I am going to use this Navbar. You can use of your choice. Copy the code from here and paste it in HTML file. Save it and see the result. So Navbar has been created and looking good. And this search box makes the Navbar best. Now I want to remove Dropdown and disabled option from Navbar. So open the code and here is the code of disabled list atom. Remove it and also remove the code of Dropdown list. You can keep these options if you want. Open the website and changes has been applied. To make the website look good, I want to add 2 to 3 cards. So go to Bootstrap website and in the side Navbar click on the cards. So here is the preview of the card we are going to use in our website. Copy its code and paste it in the HTML file. Open the browser and here it is. When picture is added to card, it will look more attractive. Now I want to add margin from top and left. So for this, give the class my5 and mx4 to the div of the card. Remember that these classes are defined in the Bootstrap documentation that are linked to our website. So save the changes and see the result. Now it is well positioned. Now I need an image for the card. So go to unsplash.com and copy the link of some images. Right click here and click on inspect option. And from here go to the link of this image. Copy this link and paste in the src attribute of the image tag. Save it and open the browser and result is here. Card is looking good now. It will look more attractive if I set its height to 50%. So in the image tag, add height attribute and set the height to 50%. Save it to see the results and changes are applied. Card is looking good. Now add the code for second and third card. So go to Bootstrap website and copy the code. Paste it in the VS Code and check the browser. So our second card is displayed but it is in the column. I want to be this in row to look good. To solve this bug, enclose the code of the card in another div with class name main and also link our CSS file to HTML file. In the CSS file, target that class, so write here .main and set the display property to flex and also set flex direction to row. This will arrange the cards in a row, so in the browser you can see our required result. But there is one more issue, that is our second card needs margin from y-axis and our third card needs margin from x-axis as well as y-axis. So give the class my5 to second card and my6, my5 to third card. Ctrl S to save the code and open the browser. You can see now cards are aligned. Copy the link from Unsplash for card images and paste it in the src attribute. One more important thing, to give same height to all images. So set their height to 60%. Now our page is looking good. Add the fourth card and its image also. Now I want to give the dark color to the nav bar so that it look different from the page color. So go to Bootstrap Navbar components and copy the code of dark Navbar. Replace the code with the existing, save it and see the result. Yes, now our website is looking amazing. You can also change the card titles, so I change them quickly. This landing page is looking good. That's how you can use Bootstrap for amazing features. So that's all for today. I hope you understood how to make a landing page using Bootstrap. Also tell me in the comments that which video on Bootstrap you want next. Subscribe to my channel for more coding videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.